Hello students, welcome again. Now today we will study again the numerical lenses, and today we will do the different types of example. Okay, the first the question is, at what distance should an object be placed from a convex lens of focal length 18 cm to obtain an image at 36 cm from it? Okay, what they are saying कि किस डिस्टेंस पर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखें कॉन्वेक्स लेंस से जिसकी फोकल लेंथ 18 सेंटीमीटर है टू ऑब्टेन एन इमेज एट 36 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम इट, ताकि हमें जो इमेज है वो मिल जाए 36 सेंटीमीटर दूर कहीं पर भी, वेदर इट इज ऑन टू द लेफ्ट साइड और वेदर इट इज ऑन टू द राइट साइड. वी नो दैट कॉन्वेक्स लेंस प्रोड्यूसेस टू टाइप्स ऑफ इमेजेस. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस दो प्रकार की इमेज बनाता है थ्रू टू टाइप्स, दैट इज रियल and inverted and virtual and erect. Okay, and we also know that as we have did it in the ray diagrams, virtual and erect image always produced towards the left of the lens, and real inverted is always produced towards the right of the lens. Okay, so it is not given कि वो कहाँ पे बना रहा है. अगर if it is given कि वो it is towards the left or towards the right, or that means in front of lens or behind the lens, so it is very easy कि फिर हम कौन सा साइन लेंगे. So it is not given, so we will take two types of sign here, that is for real inverted and virtual erect. Okay, now what they are saying, what they are asking for, what will be the magnification produced in this case. हमने बताया है कि magnification क्या होगा इन केसों में. In this case they are saying, in this question they are saying, now let's suppose first we will write the given things. What is given? First, the focal length is given. Focal length, that is f. If it is given 18 centimeter, and we know that the focal length of convex lens is always positive because it is real. तो यहाँ पर एक्चुअल में लाइट रेज मीट करती हैं, तो इट इज पॉजिटिव ऑफ 18 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, इमेज डिस्टेंस इज गिवन. इट इज बी 36 centimeter. Now very important step it is here, that is कि हमें ये पता नहीं है कि वो towards the left बन रही है और towards the right बन रही है. That means it is real or inverted or virtual or erect. We don't know. So what we will do, we will place two types of sign here. That is positive as well as negative. That means two cases are available. When the image is towards the right, so it will be 36 centimeter. And when it is towards the left side of the lens, so it will be negative 36 centimeter. So that's why two cases are there. Okay. Now what we have to find, the object distance. Object कहाँ पे रखी जाएगी? Object distance we have to find. Okay. Now using lens formula, we know that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So first we will take positive image. Okay, that means when image is produced onto the right side of the lens. Okay, now 1 by, place the values now. Then you will write case 1 when v is equal to positive of 36 centimeter. That is when the image is at the right side of the lens. Okay, so the formula will go like this: 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus minus 1 by u is equal to, place the values, focal length 18 centimeter, 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by v, it is positive of 36 minus 1 by u. Okay, we have to find the value of this. When it will go there, it will become negative. This implies 1 by negative of 1 by u is equal to 1 by 18 minus 1 by 36. Now take LCM. 36 and 18, it will become 36. LCM will be 36. 18 2 ja, so 1 2 ja 2. 36 will remain as 36 1 ja, so 1 will remain as it is. 1 by 36. We have 1 by negative of 1 by u is equal to 1 by 36. Okay, so this implies u is equal to minus 36 centimeter. Okay, that means ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर हम 36 सेंटीमीटर दूर रखें किसके, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के, then we will have an image just equal to the object की just equal आती है. Okay, and now what we have to find, magnification produced. Now what we have to find, magnification has a formula v upon u. Now magnification has a formula v upon u. V, it is given positive of 36 centimeter, and v we have got now negative of 36 centimeter. Centimeter will be cancelled with centimeter. 36 1 ja, 36 1 ja. Negative of 1. Okay, the magnification is, what is magnification telling? Magnification is coming negative of 1. So negative sign denotes it is real inverted. Okay, negative sign denotes it is real and inverted, and 1 denotes it is of same size. It is of same size. Okay, now moving on to the second part, that means when case 2, when image is negative, image distance is negative. Okay, now case 2, when image distance is negative of 36 centimeter. Negative 36 centimeter, that means image is producing towards the left of the lens. Okay, now using middle formula, 1 by f, 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by v, negative 36 minus 1 by u. Now what we will do, we will shift this here, this here. This implies 1 by u, when it will go there, it will become positive of u. When it will go there, it will become negative of 18. Okay, now take LCM again. LCM will be 36. Now negative 36 is here as it is. So 1 1 ja 1, negative of 1. Okay, now 18 2 ja, so here it will be 2 1 ja 2, negative of 2. Okay, now what we will do next, we will do according to the sign. Negative will become positive, 3 upon 36. Okay, now cancelling by 3, 1 by 12. Okay, and it is also negative. Now 1 by u is coming 1 by 12, negative of 12. Now u is equal to negative of 12 centimeter. On reciprocaling, we can get the value of u as well. U is coming negative of 12. तो अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को 12 सेंटीमीटर दूर रखें, then we will have an image which is forming towards the left of the lens. Okay? तब भी हमें 36 सेंटीमीटर की एक इमेज मिलती है जो लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द लेंस बनती है. दैट मीन्स नेगेटिव साइन डिनोट्स इट इज वर्चुअल, बिकॉज लेफ्ट साइड में जो भी इमेज बनती है वो क्या होती है, वर्चुअल होती है. नाउ मैग्निफिकेशन इन दिस केस v upon u. Okay, we are having negative of 36, u we are having negative of 12. Centimeter upon centimeter. Centimeter can be cancelled by centimeter, negative can be cancelled by negative, and 12 1 ja 12 3 ja. The magnification coming positive 3. Here in this case, the magnification is coming positive of 3. The positive sign denotes it is virtual and erect. First, the sign is telling it is virtual and erect. Okay, and this 3 denotes it is 3 times magnified. Means जो इमेज है वो 3 गुनी है in the case of negative of 36 centimeter. Okay, now moving to the fourth example, and it is also different from others. The question is, find the distance at which an object should be placed in front of convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter to obtain an image of double of its size. ठीक है, the very important question. And how to do, I am telling. The question is कि हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस बतानी है, उसे कहां पर रखा जाए, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के आगे जिसका फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर है, ताकि हमें इमेज मिल जाए डबल ऑफ इट्स साइज. उस ऑब्जेक्ट की डबल साइज की, ऑब्जेक्ट अगर इतना है तो उसके डबल साइज की हमें क्या मिल जाए, इमेज मिल जाए. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट विल राइट द गिवन थिंग्स कि क्या क्या हमें दिया गया है. ओके, so first given focal length that is f 10 centimeter, and we know that the focal length in the case of convex it is positive of 10 centimeter. Okay, image distance it is not given. Object distance it is not given. And only we have to find this. Okay, but one more thing it is given, that is magnification. That is double. Here I am writing double. That is what they are saying कि magnification कैसा होना चाहिए, double होना चाहिए. And we know that, one more thing we know that is that in the case of convex lens, the convex lens produces 2 types of images: virtual, erect, real, inverted. Virtual and real. So for virtual, the magnification will be positive, and for real, the magnification will be negative. Very important step this is. कि magnification in the case of the convex lens produces 2 types of images. Convex lens 2 प्रकार की इमेज बनाता है, that is virtual, erect, real, inverted. तो इनका magnification भी अलग अलग होगा. In the case of virtual erect, it will always be positive, and in the case of real inverted, it will always be negative. क्योंकि virtual principal axis के ऊपर बनती है और रियल इन्वर्टेड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से नीचे बनती है. सो डबल मीन्स 2 times. तो मैग्निफिकेशन हैज 2 वैल्यूज, दैट इज नेगेटिव ऑफ 2, पॉजिटिव ऑफ 2. ओके, नाउ यूजिंग मिरर फॉर लेंस फॉर्मूला, So first we will find the value of u from here. Okay, so magnification is equal to, let's suppose positive of 2 is there. That means we have two cases here as well. यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास दो केसेस होंगे. Case 1, when magnification is equal to positive of 2, and magnification, case 2, when magnification is equal to negative of 2. Okay, so from here we will find the value of u, क्योंकि because we have to find the object distance only. Okay, so magnitude is positive of 2, that means v upon u is equal to positive of 2, then v is equal to u. Okay, now from here as well, v upon u is equal to negative of 2, that means v equals to negative of 2. हमने u ही निकालना है, तो we have to find the value of v in terms of u. Okay, हम फॉर्मूले में सब में u पुटअप कर देंगे ताकि हमें u निकल जाए डायरेक्टली. Okay, now by using mirror formula, lens formula, by using lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u, v, in place of v now we'll place 2u minus 1 by u. Okay, now focal length is given, that is 10 centimeter, so in place of this we will write 10. Okay, now take LCM, 2u and u, the LCM will be 2u. Okay, and 2u, it will remain as it is, and u becomes twice of u, it will become negative of 2. Okay, so now what we will have, 1 by 10 is equal to negative of 1 by 2u. Okay, so now that means 1 by 2u is equal to negative of 1 by 10. That means 2u is equal to negative of 10, u equals to negative of 5 सेंटीमीटर. जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को लेंस से 5 सेंटीमीटर दूर रखते हैं, देन वी विल हैव 2 टाइम्स इमेज, तब हमें उसकी डबल इमेज मिल जाएगी, एंड द इमेज विल बी पॉजिटिव साइड, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस केस, अब इस केस में चलते हैं. ओके, नाउ यूजिंग मिरर फॉर्मूला, वन बाय एफ इज इक्वल टू 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, now place the values. 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2u negative of minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by 10 is equal to, now take LCM, the LCM of u and 2u will be 2u. Okay, now 2u same, so it will remain as it is, negative of 1, u is being multiplied by 2 here, so it will be multiplied by 2 as well. 1 2 ja 2. So here what we can say, negative of 3 upon 2u is coming 1 by 10. Okay, so this will go there. From here what we can find, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं आप. 2u is coming 10 3 जा negative of 30, so u will be negative of 30 by 2, that is 15. जब हम 50, now we have the object distance. अगर हम 15 सेंटीमीटर पर भी रखते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट को, अगर हम 15 सेंटीमीटर पर भी रखें, then we will have the magnified 2 times magnified image which is real and inverted. In this case अगर आप 5 सेंटीमीटर पर रखते हैं then we will have 2 times virtual image, virtual and erect image, and अगर हम 15 सेंटीमीटर पर रखते हैं then we will have a image which is 2 times but real and inverted. Okay, so this is very important type of questions जिसमें हमें v को 2u की फॉर्म में या 3u की फॉर्म में मैग्निफिकेशन के आधार पर on the basis of magnification we will put the value of v in place of u, that means v in the terms of u in the mirror formula. और तो वहां पे 2 केस बन रहे हैं, तो 2 केसेस आर इंपॉर्टेंट कि क्यों 2 केस बन रहे हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, बिकॉज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस प्रोड्यूसेस 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इमेजेस, वो वर्चुअल भी हो सकती है, इरेक्ट भी हो सकती है, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड हो सकती है. तो दैट मीन 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इमेजेस, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट ऑलवेज. लेफ्ट साइड के दैट मीन्स वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट ऑलवेज क्या होती है, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट ऑलवेज क्या होती है, पॉजिटिव होती है. वाई पॉजिटिव? बिकॉज if we talk about in terms of distance, so it is negative, and when we talk about in the terms of distance, so real will be positive. Real image क्या होगी, positive होगी. If we talk about the perpendicular distance, so it will be positive and it will be negative. Okay, so that's why 2 cases are available. इसलिए 2 केस होते हैं. So convex lens के केस में if this type of question comes, so you have to do like this. Okay.